Excel beginners, many users rely on mouse clicks when using data navigation features, like Go to Special, and so on. However, in this video, I will minimize the use of mouse by using keyboard shortcuts. This approach will not only save you time but also present professional appearance. Let's begin with Go to Special. To find and fix blank cells in a table like this, follow these steps. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire range. Press Ctrl+G. Press Alt+S. Then, press K to choose blanks option. Enter. Create a formula by typing equals, then move the cursor to the cell above it, which is cell B2. After that, press Ctrl+Enter. This will fill all the empty cells accordingly. To remove the formula, select the invoice hashtag and product columns. Press Ctrl+C, then press Ctrl+Alt+V+V. Enter. Sort and filter. To sort the data, press Ctrl+A, then press Alt+H+S+U. Select the value column. Select largest to smallest. Enter. The data has been sorted from the largest value to the smallest. To filter the data to be displayed, for example, to display only Apple, follow these steps. Press Shift+F10+E+V. The table displays only Apple data. To remove the filter, press Ctrl+Shift+L. Find and replace. To open the Find and Replace dialog box, press Ctrl+F. Or press Ctrl+H. If you want to search for data without replacing it, then press Alt+D to go to the Find tab. Type the data you want to search for example mango. Then press Alt+F to find the product mango individually. Or press Alt+I to find all, then check and press the link in the search list. To replace the product mango, for example with Mango Kent, then press Alt+P to go to the Replace tab. Type Mango Kent. Then press Alt+A for Replace All, to make the replacement at once. Or press Alt+R for Replace, if you want to make the replacement one by one.
Frozen rows and columns for PDF format.
Select the rows you want to freeze. Available on this channel since October 27, 2024. Range selection. Press Ctrl plus the appropriate arrow key to quickly navigate to the top cell, to the bottom cell, to the leftmost cell, to the rightmost cell. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus the appropriate arrow key to select all cells in the upward direction, in the downward direction, in the leftward direction, in the rightward direction. The last one is window switching. Press Ctrl plus Page Down to switch from the left sheet window to the right. Press Ctrl plus Page Up to switch from the right sheet window to the left. If you are a beginner, just graduated or a newbie, make sure to always check out video playlists of this channel. Thank you for watching.